Hi guys, how are you? Alright, so today in my neck of the woods, it is about 100, well, it's going to be 100 degrees. So, right now I'm in Angie's room because she has an air conditioner in here, and in a minute, I am going to be dying because I need to go in the kitchen and the living room. And those two rooms do not have air conditioning because you guys don't know this yet, but I switched rooms around. I will be uploading that video soon. So because nobody really uses the living room but me, I just got a fan in there and I just die wherever I am. But I think of it as a good thing. Maybe I shed some pounds, you know, sweating like a sauna, cooking and doing the rest of my stuff. So I need to clean up the kitchen, and I want to do it before it reaches 90 something degrees because it's gonna get hotter in there. So I figured I would take you guys along with me. So how about we do a little speed cleaning video and you watch me die? Sound good? Okay, let's go. Oh, and I forgot to mention, I have about 1 hour to do all this because Angie's getting out of school early because of the heat wave. They have no air conditionings in their school. So, yeah. Do the dishes first. And I'm gonna put you up here. Right there. Let's go. Tell me where your love lies. What's the day's been nice? Underneath the sunlight. Show me where your love lies. How is it to you? We're so free. Isn't it so we're so free? Are you content to me? When it's so good, I feel it's so energy. Tell me where your love lies. What's the day's been nice? Underneath the sunlight. Show me where your love lies. Tell me where your love lies. What's the day's been nice? Underneath the sunlight. Show me where your love lies. Don't hide. Give me a little better tonight. Baby, you gon' make me overnight. Tell me how you down. If you're down. Kiss 95.7. I like it like that. I like it like that. Kiss 95.7 on your smart speaker. Just say Alexa, play Kiss 95.7 on your radio. So sweet. If the sheets are cold for me, and I can't take it no more than degrees. I got the foot off the door for keys. Feel this is this is so high, so high. Just a fire. So high. Well, you could have heard you told your friends I'm just not your type. If that's how you really feel, why'd you call last night? You say last night. You say I am a fool. Just control your life. I don't lie like that. Kiss 95.7's next big thing, featuring in real life, Tuesday, September 11th at Infinity Music Hall in downtown Hartford. Get your tickets now before they sell out at kiss95.7.com.
And boys, when it comes to school lunch, there are a few things we know for sure. Sandwiches taste better when someone else makes them. And when I'm making it, always have fun. For 100 because we
coming.
use the finest ingredients. And nothing
there.
else. Putting extra care
I'm burning
into
calories,
everything.
guys.
Because that's
I'm letting off some of that water weight. That's my inspiration. Yeah. I really hate the fact that I can't just throw this into the washing machine. And that I have to stand in this hot kitchen taking all these off. That's what I gotta do. Chloe, go. Guys, why is it that animals like to stay in the hottest place in the house? Why? Why doesn't she just go in the air conditioning room? I don't understand. And the cat is under the table too. See her? Just like dead on the floor. Why do they want to stay in here? Look at me. And they have fur. I don't get it. Is it because I'm in here? What is it, lady? I wouldn't want to be in here. Shoot, if I didn't have to. Guys, I really do like this mop. I got it from Family Dollar. And it has a little thing in the bottom. And I could just take it off and throw it in the wash. Wait. It's all corners. Fine stuff. Okay, kitchen is done. I gotta clean out that table, but that's besides the point. The big jobs are finished. And yeah, I'm calling it quits. I gotta go get Angie. Let me see what time it is. 1:38. I have some time to do some clothes. Whoa, lady, move. So this is the living room now. It's not really much to it. It's just a small couch that needs to be made and some clothes that need to be folded. There's my fan that I shall sit right in front of, and I shall do my clothes. So give me a minute. It's because they want to be with me. Because now they're both in here. That's what it is, guys. Because the lady's laying on the floor in the living room now, and Biscuit just came in here. Oh, my animales, they love me. Biscuit, baby. And Biscuit's Angie's cat. So, she usually don't want nothing to do with me. So, the fact that she's following me in here must mean she loves me. Biscuit, baby. Meow, 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 meow. She don't talk to me. She talks to Angie. What the heck? It's my over-the-shoulder boulder holder. I'm not done. I'm not done. I got boob sweat. Here. What? In the living room. What?
I'm gonna stay dinner.
What? Oh,
I cut
nice.
it so it's short.
Alright, it might fall off though.
That'll be okay.
These are yours, baby. Can you take them? Please. These.
Wow.
Yeah. Wow.
Wow.
Now you're gonna have to come back.
My overalls are more of my overalls.
Exactly. Don't mess them up.
Yeah,
See.
say go to a place for me.
So I am officially done. I'm done. It is about let's see, 2 o'clock, and clothes are done. And I am done. Ew, look at my cute armpit. I'm just chilling now. I need a nap. I'm drained. I got some things going on in my household that are really stressing me out. And I will talk to you guys about that another day. But stay strong, women. Stay motivated. Stay inspired. And until the next video, I'll catch you on the flip side.